Today, I'm going to teach you the 5th class of spring. The first line is 1、2、3、4。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8。1、2、3、4. You hit 1、2 on the 3rd drum. While moving to the 2nd drum, you hit 3、4. After is 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 on the 2nd drum. Now let's try it on the drum using the speed of 70. Ready? Now, let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our 5th class of spring. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.